Hello genius minds, this is Newton Backyard. So in this video we are going to watch how we can derive AQ plus BQ in two different ways. So let's write down the two formulas, the two algebraic identities for AQ plus BQ. The number one is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B, and the number two formula is A plus B whole into A square minus AB plus B square. That's clear. We got here two formulas or identities for this term AQ plus BQ. So let's write down. First we need to derive the first formula. After that we can derive the second formula. Let's start with this one. AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. So let's start with this. Let's take this as LHS and this as RHS. In the LHS side, I will write A plus B whole cube is equal to AQ plus BQ plus 3AB whole into A plus B. That's the actual formula for A plus B whole cube. And if you want to derive this one, you have to just multiply A plus B with another 2A plus B. So let's do the next step. Here we got A plus B whole cube is equal to, here we have got AQ plus BQ, and AQ plus BQ together we have to find this according to here, derive AQ plus BQ, and this is written here. Let me underline that. AQ plus BQ plus bracket 3AB whole into A plus B. So now here we got a term. This term should be transferred to the left hand side so that we get AQ plus BQ implies A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B is equal to AQ plus BQ. Clearly we got here that AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Just change the sides of this, left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. And we got here AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. So we have got the first formula. We can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Let's go to the second formula. Second formula is a little bit confusing, but it's quite easy to understand. For the second formula, let me pull down. Formula, we have to look down at the first formula. Here, A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. So let's write that. Here again LHS and RHS. In the left hand side, we will write AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. So from this formula we will get the second formula of AQ plus BQ. This is actually the factorization formula. This is used mainly in factorization problems in mathematics, high school mathematics. So let's see what we can do with this formula to get that formula. Here we have 3A plus B multiplied together, and here we have 1A plus B. There are two terms, two separate terms. One is A plus B whole cube and minus 3AB whole into A plus B. So we can take a plus b common from each of these. AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B. We take the common and A plus B whole square, because if we took out 1A plus B, we are left with 2A plus B minus 3AB. Well, 3AB become a ln. Sorry 3AB for that. AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B. Here we have to expand A plus B whole square, and we all know the formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 3AB. So here we got two common terms, AB and AB. So we have to do some arithmetics to get the answer. 2AB minus 3AB. We have to minus 3AB from 2AB. And we got AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole into A square plus B square minus AB. We don't have to write minus 1AB because 1 has literally no value here. It's multiplied with AB. So finally, arranging the term in here, we got AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole into A square minus AB plus B square. Thus, we have derived the second formula, and we can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Well, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate all of my subscribers. So thanks for subscribing my channel. Hope you enjoy my videos. This is much for this video. Bye.